Hey y'all, so today I went to go to a salon to get a bust down glueless middle part wig install, and this is how it went. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this install, you already know what you need to do. Keep on watching. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be using this 13 by 4 24-inch pre-styled lace frontal wig from Asteria Hair. Now this wig came styled just like this with this cute little two ponytail with the braids and baby hairs. But of course I'm not going to be wearing this hair like this in this video, but I did want to share with you girls that this wig does come ready to install. But you know, me being me, I do prefer to wash my hair. So again, this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. The wig already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So basically, really only thing you got to do is install this wig and you should be good to go, besides of course styling if you decide not to wear the hair in its original style. This wig also comes with an elastic band and the lace already comes cut. So again, this is one of those wigs where you don't need any kind of skills to get the perfect wig install. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my little cute self right on in to Marquis so he can lay my hair. All of his booking information will be below. If you are in the Winder area, definitely check him out because he is fire with it when it comes to these wig installs. So I do not do like a braid down when it comes to my wig install. I simply put two braids and connect them in the back and just slick my hair down. And then he does do the ball cap method on me, but I don't do like the braids or anything because I just don't want any tension on my hairline. And this method works pretty good for me because I always wear my hair like this underneath my braids. I don't have to worry about any tension. I don't worry about like the wig looking bulky in the back. It just works perfect. I always do this method when I wash my hair because my hair just lays a lot more flatter once I'm able to do the two braids and then lay it down with a do-rag and a headscarf. So yeah, he's just gonna do the ball cap method. You can basically see how that is done by watching the video. Oh, and just in case I did not mention this earlier, this is a glueless install. We will not be using any type of glue in this video, only holding spray, and this wig install will last. And so after he is done with the ball cap install and then tinting the lace a little bit, he's going to go ahead and actually install the wig. And right here, he is just making sure the wig is a good fit. And because it is a good fit, he's going to have me place my hand right on the sideburns just to make sure the wig does not move while he is tying the band on the back, just to give it that more tight snug. So yeah girl, let's go ahead and get into flat ironing this hair, honey, and seeing what this wig is about to look like, because the way the hairline was giving and these small knots, y'all, the knots on this wig is so small. Even me and Marquis was like, what? Why in the hell are the knots on this wig this damn small? We was bugging, but it's so fire, y'all. Like the lace, the knots on this wig is so good. Okay, got the glueless wig installed. Now it is time to flatten out the hair by just simply sectioning out the roots of the hair and going in with a hot comb. First, lightly applying a little bit of the wax stick and then going in section by section just to make sure those sections are smooth and flat to get a very even, flat look. this wig from Asteria Hair is so pretty. I mean, the company never fails me anyways. So now that y'all see the wig is super duper flat and sleek, he is now going in with a blow dryer. I'm going to wear this hair bone straight. So just going in with a blow dryer allows the hair to become even more straighter, more silkier, and just in my opinion, just looks, way more like the straight out look. So yeah, that's what he's doing right here. Again, y'all, keep in mind this is a glueless install. There is no glue on this wig. And this wig is definitely giving scalp. I am loving this install. I'm loving how my baby hairs is swooping in so perfectly. Love how he does my baby hairs. Yeah, this wig, Marquis ate down for this install. Okay, y'all, and this is the final look of this 13 by 4 straight 24-inch wig from Asteria Hair. And as y'all can see, I am loving this look. Y'all, if y'all are in the Winder area, definitely check out Marquis, Laced by Marquis. I'm going to make sure I leave his booking information below because he is a whole vibe. He definitely will lay your wig, lay your install. And the simple fact that this is glueless, and y'all know how I do not play about my glueless wigs. I don't do glue. And I've went in before and my glueless wigs last for a couple days. That's all I need. He can definitely make it last longer, but I don't need that. I need a couple days and I'm good. Really a week and I'm good. So yeah, baby, when I tell you this, he ate down on this. Look at this middle part. Look at these baby hairs. Soft, very natural, very much giving growing out of my scalp. This is so pretty. Like look at my face. My face tells it all. Like, come on, bitch. So cute. Um Anyways, let me get into this wig real quick. So for this to be a 24-inch, y'all, I was really surprised at how full this wig was. One thing about Asteria Hair, they never play when it comes to the fullness of their wig. Again, this is a 13 by 4. Make sure you check out that description bar because I do have a coupon code in there and they do have a sale going on right now. So you can save yourself some money if you decide to purchase this wig, which I highly suggest that you do so. I'm also getting some pointers right now from Marquis so he can tell me how to make sure I keep my baby hairs on point with this install because, baby, I am loving the way my hair looks right now. But anyways, honey, I want y'all to see some more of this hair and this look, this install, because do y'all see this? Do y'all see how this shined, how this fullness on this wig is looking? Like, let me just turn on around so y'all can just really get into it and y'all can really see how beautiful this wig is. Like, I need to collab a little bit more with Asteria hair because they do it for me every time. 10 out of 10. Don't play with them. Look at this wig, y'all. 24 inches full, just like this. Link in the description bar. Bye, y'all.